Welcome back to BNC Live. I'm Tashanea Whitlow. Millions of Americans and businesses jumped for joy over the new guidance from the CDC about wearing masks indoors if you're fully vaccinated, but there was very fine print. Right now, I have the honor of welcoming Dr. Anthony Fauci to BNC Live. Now, he needs no introduction unless you've been living under a rock for the past 14 months. He's the director of the U.S. National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases. He's also the chief medical advisor to President Biden. Again, Dr. Fauci, welcome to BNC Live.
Good to be with you. Thank you for having me.
Now, Dr. Fauci, earlier this week, you and other CDC officials were grilled on Capitol Hill about conflicting messages regarding mask wearing. Was this move to lift the mask mandate political?
No, it was not. Actually, it was really based on the evolving information, scientific information, that was accumulating over the previous several weeks to months, where it became very, very clear that when you look at the number of infections per day, the 7-day weekly average on a daily basis, it had gone down about 1/3 over a period of a few weeks. And importantly, as the real-time, real-world data on the effectiveness of the vaccine, it became clear that we were dealing with a vaccine whose effectiveness was even better than what we saw in the clinical trials. So that the protection against infection, the protection against severe disease was so impressive that it was felt that if you were vaccinated, we could start taking those next steps towards normality. And that next step would be to get people to essentially be mask-free, with very unusual circumstances where they'd have to wear a mask. And that's the reason why the guidance was changed, so that not only do you not need to wear a mask outdoors, but you don't need to wear a mask indoors. So it was really based on science.